people. Video 4. Fairbanks Morse engine rip down. Head removal. Now any of you that haven't seen the first 3 videos on this, shut it down, go watch them. Or don't, I don't care, whatever. Pull the head off of this seized up old motor. There's another text message. Just check it quick. Okay. Head off, hopefully. Okay, head broke free. Okay. There's the head off of it. Now I'm judging from the amount of rust and corrosion in there that head's probably well, the head's savable, maybe. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure that we're never going to get the piston out of it. Oh, look at the powder! Look at that, my God. I really doubt that we're going to get that piston to break free. Oh, actually the inside of that piston cylinder feels really good. The valves are pretty much rusted solid. I don't know. Let us try. Find myself a block of wood or something. What do I got here? I don't want to score that piston up. What I'm going to use is a hammer. Put the wood part down. Nothing to that. That piston's going to pop right out of there. Didn't even take hardly a tap when it comes. Ooh, haha, text message. So there's the piston. The rings are in actually incredible shape. Oil rings in good shape. You know, I might be able to save this thing after all. That's nice and free. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Inside of that cylinder wall is smooth. Got a little bit of crud in there, but a little bit of, I've got a hone for that. Where did I put that? Ah, it don't matter anyways for now. I'll hone that out just enough to take the rough off of it. Okay, and for my notification, the bolt was down bottom of motor, so I will just leave it at that. I will mark that piston later so I get it back in the right uppy downy kind of position. Okay, well, I wonder, we pull these, well, I guess you'd call them lifters. Pull them out of there if I can. Where's my screwdrivers? Oh, they're way over here. See if we can get them broke free. They look pretty clean, so. Oh, look at that. Lifter one off. Okay. Lifter. It's just a ball. Look at that. Look at how simple things were built back then. My God. Okay, that's pretty easy to rebuild. Put that there. Let's get the other one out. See if we can get them valves out of there. You know, if that cleans this up, we might actually salvage this motor. kind of leery about the shims that were in there, though. That's got me worried because just because obviously it's been apart more than once. I'm gonna take some of this gook out of here. Make sure there's no parts in there. It's all wood and rust. So let's take that and put that in the garbage. Do that 5 minutes, okay. So I want to get that other head stud out if I can. What am I going to do? Let's pull this carburetor cover off. Let's see what the hell we got going on in here. Oh my God, they're coming. This is like some kind of air breather apparatus. No, this one's not going to come. Oh, it is so. Now they're pretty stripped out from a couple hundred years of pulling them apart. So I think I might try to match them up and replace them. The valves. Look at this. All kinds of crud and corruption in there. No dead mouses though, so that's good. Garbage. Okay, that's still free. Yeah, this carburetor's going to need a lot of work. Looks like a 7/16. I've got one of them. Where the heck do I got that? Right there. What is that? That's not a 7. It is too. Okay, it's a 1/2 inch. That would be this one. There it is. Let's see if we can get this carburetor out of there, but I'm just wondering how the heck I'm going to get this throttle hoopy out of there. I don't know if I can. I don't want to force it. I don't want to break nothing. You're probably laughing. Don't want to break nothing, but you're beating it with a friggin' hammer. Well, that's right. Oh, there we go. Let's spin that out. This is more for something to do tonight. Got other things I should be doing. But you know what? I've ignored, well, not ignored, but neglected YouTube for a long time. Oh, that needle valve's in beautiful shape. Look at that, it's still nice and sharp. I've ignored, well, no, neglected my duties for a long time. And I just had the urge tonight to just come out here and just tinker. I don't want to be in the house, it's too beautiful of a night out. Should be out doing my yard, but I think I'd rather be out here spending time with the YouTubers. So let's see. How am I going to get that down in there? That is in the way, so let us get. Okay, that piece comes out there. Good. I got needle nose right there. Come on. That's just a piece of hay wire that some farmer has put in there to hold everything into place. Because I'm pretty sure Fairbanks Morse didn't put that in there. So I need to be shot on my beer. Oh, there we're at 10 minutes again. So I'm going to stop this one, start it again, and we'll continue ripping the carburetor off of this old motor.